Hi, I'm Bailey Meyer from Cincinnati, Ohio. Welcome to Cooking with Bailey. Hi, today we are going to be making a bread called ciabatta. There are two main parts to making this bread. There's the sponge and the dough. Let's start with the sponge. Here we have 1/4 teaspoons of active dry yeast. Here we have 4 tablespoons of warm water. Here we have 2/3 cups of water at room temperature. And here we have 2 cups of all-purpose flour. For the dough, we have 1 teaspoon of active dry yeast, 4 tablespoons of warm whole milk, 1 1/3 cups of water at room temperature, 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, 4 cups of all-purpose flour, and 3 teaspoons of sea salt. For the sponge, we're going to put the yeast in the warm water and let it sit for 5 minutes until it's all dissolved. It's been about 5 minutes now, and now we're going to add the water to the flour and mix it thoroughly. And after that is mixed thoroughly, we're going to add the yeast and water combination. This is the way it should look now. And now we're just going to cover it and let it sit for 12 hours. So what is yeast? Yeast is a living organism that falls into the fungi family. What yeast does is it eats the sugar from the flour and releases carbon dioxide. When it releases the carbon dioxide, it creates bubbles, which makes the dough rise. The sponge has been sitting overnight. Now we're going to make the dough. So the first thing you have to do is put the yeast into the warm milk. And stir a little bit and wait for 5 minutes till it's bubbly. Now what we're going to do is we're going to combine everything except for the salt, that means including the sponge, into the bowl of flour and thoroughly knead it until it's mixed. Now all of the ingredients that we put into this bowl are thoroughly mixed, and now we have to add the salt and keep on mixing. Now we have to add the dough into an oiled bowl and let it sit. is almost ready, and we're gonna prepare the pans to go in the oven. So we've covered the pans and parchment paper, and we're just gonna sprinkle a little bit of flour over it. The dough is ready, and so you can see that it's doubled in size. We're gonna take all of that dough, put it onto this cutting board, lay it out so we can cut it evenly. We're gonna make it a circle, and we're gonna cut it into fourths. Just gonna put 2 on each pan. We're gonna make these into logs about 9 inches long. It's been about an hour and a half, and so we're gonna take the towel off, and we're gonna one by one put the pans into the oven at 425 for 20 minutes. It's been 20 minutes. So we're gonna take the ciabatta out and put them on a cooling rack. I hope you enjoyed the recipe. Thanks.